Hi, well, ham fam. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And it's a new build.
Yay.
So, this is a butcher's, I believe.
Oh, duck.
It got a duck on the roof.
Duck, duck.
Duck,
duck.
Now, it's 846 pieces.
Yep.
And it's part of the Street Minis Loz box. And yeah, we've done a few now. Barbecue shop. There we go.
Hey.
Mini block snack bar barbecue shop building.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It suggests for birthday or Christmas.
Yeah. You got it for your birthday?
I did. Did
yeah, I think so.
No, I didn't.
No?
No, I don't think so. Anyway.
Yeah,
oh, look at the lobster. I've got to get the lobster one at some point. Look at him. Isn't he great? He's brilliant. So there are 4 to this series.
Yeah.
Although
2 or 4.
They've got different series out at different times, basically. So there were 4 at the time of this actual series, but the previous shop I've done on here was with another group. But yeah, I got it from AliExpress. Was in one of their Super Choice deals, so it was about £7, I think.
And it comes in a lovely box.
They really do. These do come beautifully.
Yeah.
So let's have a looky in the innards.
Yeah.
Look at the innards.
Let's cut him open and have a look see what's inside.
That sounds so brutal.
Yeah. Debbie's going to use safety scissors to try and cut in there.
Again, he thinks I'm funny doing this, but it works after a bit. At least it's not those plastic things that didn't used to cut anything.
Yeah.
Right, so
There's
we have
boogie.
got our distractions, as Dan calls them.
Yep.
And
and you've got a list of all the blocks in it.
It's a list of all the blocks.
Because I think this is a salt one. I think this one is.
This will be a salt one.
Yeah.
Because I like to check I've got all the pieces. It's just easier, basically. And plus I like ticking things. Right. So we have got, whoopsie. This is a very full bag. Right. So I've got some random piece of card that's nothing to do with that. It's usually stickers when, you know.
Yeah.
Right, so we have got bag 1. That couldn't do that again. Go on. Bag 3.
Close.
4. No, 5. I'll tell you what.
You've got 1, 3 and 5 at the moment.
I've got 1, 3 and 5, yeah. Right, so there's 7 of these bags.
Yep.
And then I've got a bag of little doohickeys. Yeah, there's little material things and some stickers.
Yeah.
So, 846 pieces. So let's get sorting. sorting took
3 hours 56 minutes.
And it left me with that many spares and that many stickers.
Right, and to build, it took 13 hours 44 minutes, which is a total time of 17 hours 40 minutes.
Now, this one isn't one that opens out because it's a different range of street ones they did. But it is really cool, guys. So, before I show you the whole thing, I'm just going to show you the little doggy and the lady with the little doggy's bone.
That is a very big bone for that little doggy.
There you go. Right, so 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So let me move her out of the way. There we go. Right, so we have got our little ducky restaurant.
Yeah.
I love the detail on the duck's head, I must admit. I love the fact he's wearing a little hat and he's holding a nice plate of food and a drumstick. Slightly disturbing if you take into context that they're probably supposed to be duck. I mean, my idea of feeding duck is basically you give them bread, corn or whatever's fashionable at the time. I have thrown pieces of bread roll at other people's plates that have been eating duck around me, I must admit. I'm not vegetarian or anything, I don't eat my friends. But yes, so, super cute. And the detail, the little stickers on here, the little flower petals.
Steps going up to the top.
Okay, can we just talk about how darn cuteable that mouse is? But yeah, steps going up the top as he says. I love the fact that you've got the rubbish bag behind here. Yeah, I mean, technically, I suppose that's supposed to be a mouse. Although, if you look at the context of size,
that'd be a rat.
That's a rather large mouse. Okay, it probably is a rat, but it doesn't look like a rat. It looks like a mouse.
Yeah,
it's very cute. Got little windows, flowers. I love the detail on the bits in here as well. You've got like the weighing machine and bits like that. Then on here you've got like a nice little table bit and your lamp, street lamp, which is plugged in via the thing. I'm not entirely sure what the point of these bits were, to be honest. But I know they are, but I just don't.
You don't really need them.
You don't really need them, and plus they attach to the shop, not another bit. However, I do think that is super cute. I really do think that is gorgeous. Although I've got to say, guys, £100 for a duck leg.
£100, or would that be 100 yen?
Oh, I don't know.
No, it wouldn't be. 100
I don't
yen.
know how much 100 yen would work out actually in real.
50p, I think.
Blimey, that's cheap. So yeah. But yeah, super cute. It's so cute.
But I don't know what the currency they have in China, if it's in China. So.
I don't know. But yeah, and say 17-hour project. Now, I will mention there were a couple of difficult bits. There's actually tubing that goes in between these two bits. You have to make sure it's the shorter end on the grey bit here, but on the hook bit we had a bit of difficulty. I did. Darren worked out.
You actually put the other ones in the right way round, though.
With no problem, but I couldn't work out how I'd done it so differently because I couldn't get the hook thing to go in there.
Yeah.
It turns out, if any of you guys are building projects like this and need to know,
you have to put the long bit through first.
Yeah, put the hook in to this side first before putting
the
the short bit in this side.
Yeah.
It's just, I know that some of you guys do actually get different ones of this, so it's just a little tidbit we found out through trial and error. I did try squeezing with some pliers on the
but it wasn't going very far enough. That's what the big bit was. Yeah, I mean,
but yeah, let's say it all turned out really well in the end, and it's my second shop bit. And you'll be pleased to know I have ordered some more shops. I think I've ordered another one of this style.
Yeah.
Not obviously this one, but I mean of this street one where it is a singular building.
Yeah.
And I think I've got 2 where they open out, like on the other one I did. So, but then again, by the time I'm saying this, guys, I could have got the whole collection of each of them. Who knows?
Yeah.
They're not that expensive, to be fair. And I did really well, actually, because I got them, the 3 of them, on one of their super short choice deals. Plus, they've also got a deal for a 3 bundle one, which they give you additional money off on, and bits like that. So it's not bad. It really isn't. Right. So, my lovelies, let me know what you guys think. I know some of you can't build bits like this, or you haven't got the patience to, but you enjoy watching. So I appreciate everybody that comments, because it's always nice to hear from you guys.
Yeah.
And as always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry unhoo-hoo, and you know it's got to be a ducky boop.